Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of garage door accessories with a product that's a real game changer. Introducing the CHAMBERLAIN LiftMaster Craftsman 4228 replacement battery for battery backup-equipped garage door openers. Now, if you're tired of being stranded outside your garage during a power outage or dealing with the hassle of manually opening your garage door, this replacement battery is about to become your new best friend. Let's talk about why this battery stands out from the crowd. First off, it's specifically designed for use with CHAMBERLAIN garage door openers, ensuring compatibility and seamless integration with your existing setup. But what really sets this battery apart is its reliability. With a 4.5 Ah capacity, it's capable of powering your garage door opener in emergency situations, giving you peace of mind knowing that you can still access your garage even when the power is out. Installation is a breeze, with many users reporting that the entire process takes less than 10 minutes. Plus, with its durable construction and long lifespan, you can count on this battery to keep your garage door opener running smoothly for years to come. Now, let's talk about what users have to say about this product. Customers rave about its ease of installation, value for money, and overall durability. Many have even noted that it's a perfect fit for their garage door opener, seamlessly replacing their old battery without any hassle. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable and long-lasting replacement battery for your garage door opener, look no further than the CHAMBERLAIN LiftMaster Craftsman 4228. With its compatibility, reliability, and ease of installation, it's truly the best garage door battery replacement available on the market. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.